Welcome to BabyBlab. On this beautiful journey, as a new parent, you will follow and learn how to take care of a newborn 24/7, step by step, tips and tricks on a daily basis. Let's share some ideas and experience together. Stay tuned, my friends. Good morning, everyone. So it is 5:30 in the morning, and the baby's having little cramps at this moment. So he's quiet, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make something that can ease off the pain from the cramps. So basically, I'm boiling some water, and then we're gonna have some chamomile, a little bit of sugar on it. So we're gonna boil water for the baby. We're gonna have some chamomile tea, tiny bit of sugar, and then I'm gonna make 1.5 ounces to help him to ease off his cramps, because the formula he's having now is this kind of formula. So this formula for some kids work, for some kids do not work, but we may switch off for something new, but of pretty much the same brand. And we started with Similac. Similac was a little rough as well. Then we jumped to this one that what the doctor said is still not working properly. It's giving him a lot of constipation. So as you can see, he's having cramps. So these are little tips that may help your baby. There's no problem at all to give him chamomile. So ask your doctors, ask some other professionals and experts. They said it's fine. If it's gonna help, maybe it helps to cleanse his stomach. So with chamomile, he may have a little bit of diarrhea, but it helps to ease off. So just remember, chamomile, boil the water, 1.5 ounces, a little bit of sugar, and the baby's gonna be okay, just to ease off his cramps. Let's see how it works, and I hope this tip will work for you guys. It's something that can happen like 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. It's something to give to the baby, and he's gonna sleep for a couple more hours after having the chamomile. So guys, the chamomile is ready. 1.5 ounces. So let's see how he's gonna do it. I'll keep you guys posted. So let's give to him the chamomile right now. Let's see how he's gonna react. there we go. He finished the chamomile pretty much, and he's already quite okay so far. So he wakes up right now. I'm gonna change his diapers and feed him regular food. See how happy he is? It's just a little tip for you to take care of your baby. Okay? So see you guys later. Guys, I gave him the chamomile tea, which was around 5:45 in the morning. He started having cramps 5:30 in the morning, so now he seems to be much better. It looks like everything eased off on him. Look at this. The chamomile tea worked. So let's see now how long it's gonna take for him to wake up. And for sure he's happy for being, without cramps. And I guess the chamomile tea worked.